Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am your Anita ma'am. Today we will learn about rectangle shape. Which shape? Rectangle shape.
I'm a rectangle with 4 sides. 2 sides are narrow and 2 sides are wide.
Do you know what is rectangle shape? A rectangle has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 corners. Okay, children? Okay, what is this, children? This is a mobile and this is rectangle in shape.
Oh rectangle now. Show me a rectangle, now. Show me.
And what is this? This is an envelope. And which shape is this? Rectangle shape.
I'm a rectangle, like a really long square. I have 4 sides.
Children, what is this? You know? Very good. This is a notebook. Okay? Notebook. And notebook shape is rectangle. And what is this, children? This is a television. You watch cartoon on television? Yes. And its shape is rectangle.
I'm a rectangle you see like a very long square. I'm a rectangle you see like a very long square.
Children, what is this? Yummy. This is a chocolate. Yes, don't eat chocolate too much. Okay? And which shape is this? Rectangle shape.
A rectangle is a shape with 4 straight sides. It has 4 right angles and the
And this is a door. Door is also in rectangle shape.
The door is shaped like a rectangle. Draw it in the air.
1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
Choose the objects that have the shape of a rectangle. Choose the objects that have the shape of a rectangle. Which shape is this? Rectangle shape. Which shape is this? This is also in rectangle. Is this rectangle? No. Is this rectangle? No, it's not. Is this rectangle? Yes. This is in rectangle shape. Is this rectangle shape, children? No, it's not.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
And the other 2. Every corner at a right angle. That's a rectangle.
I hope you all are enjoyed this video. See you in next class. Bye-bye, children. Take care.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share and subscribe Udayan Kidz.